the other one is we have this one VB2, which is we didn't know. Okay, if I were to resolve this VB1 and VB2 into N and T axis, so we have this is T and N axis. What we will have here is this one will be VB1N and the other part here is will be VB1T. Same as this part, we want to resolve into N and T. So we will have here is VB2T and the other part is this direction, negative of N, VB2N. Okay, so we put here this part here. So what we will have here now is the first one. One is here, and put this one here. Okay, this one here, and we have the other one which is VB2. This one is this one is opposite direction, same direction as N. The other one is here, opposite direction, and this is this direction. Okay, so this is VB1T, which is equal to the VB is given as 10. So 10 sine theta. Here is VB1N equal to 10 cos theta. Okay, 10 cos theta. So after impact, we will have this one is VB2T, and here we have VB2N, giving this one. So this one is equal to VB2 sin theta. This one is equal to VB2 cos theta. Okay, now we have resolved and labeled all the known velocity. Okay, so because the VB1 and VB2 is given, only the theta is not given. So we resolve this one into N and T. So we have all this one. And now after that, we want to solve for T axis, which is we just take the T axis before and after impact will be the same. So now we have VB2T, which is equal to VB2 cos theta, and it must same as this one. So this one equal to also 10 sin theta for VB1T. So this one must be same before and after impact. The only change here is on N axis. Okay, so once impact, so we cannot use conservation of momentum. We can only use coefficient of restitution, which is E equal to VB to N minus VA to N divided by VA1N minus VB1N. Okay, given the E is equal to 0.6, so this one is 0.6. Okay, so now if we consider the A is a wall and B is the moving ball, so the V of A, this one is equal to 0, this one is equal to 0. Okay, so the equation will become VB to N minus VB1N equal to 0.6. Okay, equal to 0.6. So put this information, which is VB to N, which is VB2 sine theta. Okay, VB to N is VB2 sine theta. Okay, and I have to put negative sign because it is opposite direction of positive N. Okay, divided by negative VB1N, which is positive direction, so the value is 10 cos theta. Okay, equal to 0.6. So at the end we have negative, everything become positive. Okay, so now this one will be positive. I put 10 here, so and sine divided by cos will become tangent, so we'll have VB2. Okay, so this one and this one become tangent. Tangent theta equal to this part, I will bring that way, equal to 6. Okay, so VB2 tangent theta equal to 6 is the first equation. Okay, and since we have one more, now we have already used the coefficient of resolution, and we have this equation, but we still have two unknown, which is VB2 and tangent theta. We cannot use the conservation of momentum, so we need to find one more equation from this figure, which is here we can use is this one, VB2 cos theta equal to 10 sin theta. Okay, so we will use this equation. So put this here, VB2 cos theta, VB2 cos theta equal to 10 sin theta. Okay, so we try to make it in this form, which is in term of VB2 and tangent theta. Okay, so VB2 is here, sine divided, if I put it here, so sine divided by cos will become 10. So VB2 okay, VB2, and then I will have 10 tangent theta. Okay, or in other way I can have, if you want to leave in term of tangent theta, okay, so make it, no problem, we make this one. And now I want to compare equation number 1 and equation number 2. I have VB2, I have a tangent theta, so I have to put, maybe I want to put this tangent theta into VB2 equation 2. So I want to make it now the tangent theta equal to 0.1 VB2. So this one you put in first equation, put in this one. So what we'll have now is VB2 and tangent theta is 0.1 VB2 equal to 6. So you have 0.1 VB2 squared equal to 6. So from here you will have VB2 equal to 6 divided by 0.1 equal to the root of 7.746 meter over second. Okay, so you have VB2 as this one. You want to put in this equation. Okay, so you have tangent theta equal to 0.1 746. So you have theta equal to times 0.1 equal to tangent minus 1, answer equal to 7.76 degree. Okay, so you have theta equal to this one and VB2 equal to this one.